Welcome back to Drive Formula Car, where we bring you the latest and most exciting automotive updates from around the world. Today, we are diving into the all-new, next-generation 2026 Yamaha Aerox, a scooter that redefines style, performance, and technology. Get ready, because what Yamaha has unveiled is nothing short of spectacular. The 2026 Yamaha Aerox comes with a complete redesign, combining aggressive aesthetics with futuristic features. From the moment you lay eyes on it, the scooter commands attention. Its sharp, aerodynamic body lines, combined with bold LED headlights and an eye-catching front fascia, give it a sporty and premium look. Yamaha has clearly focused on creating a scooter that is not just practical but a head-turner on every street. Underneath its stunning exterior lies a highly efficient and powerful engine designed for urban performance. The 2026 Aerox is equipped with a new generation 155cc liquid-cooled engine that promises smooth acceleration, responsive throttle, and excellent fuel efficiency. Whether you're commuting in traffic or hitting open roads, the Aerox delivers a ride that is both thrilling and comfortable. Yamaha has integrated a refined CVT system, ensuring seamless power delivery while keeping the ride effortless for all types of riders. One of the most impressive upgrades is the new digital instrument cluster. Fully digital and easy to read, it displays speed, fuel level, trip information, and even advanced connectivity features. You can pair your smartphone to receive notifications, track routes, and even monitor your riding performance. This blend of technology and convenience makes the 2026 Aerox not just a scooter, but a smart riding companion. Safety has been a key focus in this new model. The Aerox comes with advanced braking systems, including ABS for superior stopping power, and enhanced suspension for a smoother ride on rough roads. The tires are wider and offer excellent grip, ensuring stability at higher speeds. Every detail, from the ergonomic seat to the adjustable handlebars, has been crafted to enhance comfort and control. In terms of aesthetics, Yamaha offers a range of striking color options, including vibrant red, bold orange, classic black, and sleek blue. Each color option accentuates the Aerox's aggressive styling and gives riders the freedom to choose a look that matches their personality. The scooter also features premium alloy wheels and stylish body panels that highlight its sporty DNA. But the 2026 Yamaha Aerox is not just about looks and performance. It comes loaded with practical features like ample under-seat storage, USB charging port, and LED tail lights for better visibility. The scooter is designed for the modern rider who wants a combination of style, technology, and practicality. Pricing for this all-new Yamaha Aerox starts at $2,450, making it competitive in the premium scooter segment. Considering its features, technology, and futuristic design, it offers excellent value for money and sets a new benchmark for urban scooters. In conclusion, the 2026 Yamaha Aerox is a bold statement in the world of scooters. It combines cutting-edge technology, aggressive styling, and powerful performance in a package that is ready to dominate city streets. Whether you are a daily commuter, a weekend rider, or someone who simply loves to ride in style, the Aerox promises an experience that is both thrilling and sophisticated. Stay tuned to Drive Formula Car for more updates on this exciting launch. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel for all the latest automotive news and exclusive first looks at the hottest rides on the market.